A very neat trick I have found myself using in times of need is multiplication by 1. What I mean by that is that quite often, Excel does not recognize one of the numbers you are working with as a number. Due to some previous formatting or for a different reason, Excel reads the number as text, and that's not always easy to see. In this example we have here, a comma plays the role of a decimal separator instead of a dot. Also, the settings that have been applied clearly specify that decimal separators are designated by a dot. So, how does Excel read the number that we have here? 3, 0. The program thinks this is text, but instead, we want it to have the number 3. In a certain situation, when you work with a whole column of numbers, it can be difficult to check which are the ones perceived correctly or which are the ones containing issues in terms of cell formatting. The trick I mentioned at the beginning of the video is to multiply all the numbers by 1. The multiplication of two numbers gives us another number. On the other hand, the multiplication of 1 and some text displays an error. In this way, we can easily spot errors and make the necessary corrections in no time.